Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes, another video. 2014 BMW X5. We had this vehicle in here for a no start. The vehicle said the customer said they went to a grocery store, parked it, and then came back out, and the car wouldn't start. The car is just cranking, but would just not start. So I did some checks, checked the fuses and stuff. But first I scanned it. So all the fuses, everything was good. I scanned it, and then I found a couple codes. So then I went and followed those codes to see where they would lead me. So these codes are not, they weren't there. This is now because I did the repair, so I disconnected some stuff. So these codes came up, but these top 4 codes were there. I was really interested in this code at the 4th one, the ignition and fuel injection system that was deactivated. So I did some checks. Then I went to a wiring diagram. So the wiring diagram here is the main power that comes from the battery at the back, comes into this integrated control module. It's one solid unit. There's fuses inside, relays inside. They cannot be serviced separately. So it can be replaced as a unit, but I did some checks and those fuses and relays were okay. I checked all these brown and red wires, brown and green wires, I checked all of them. They were okay. I had power, grounds were there, everything was there except the sorry, let me open that up. So everything was there except the one wire. So everything was there except number 4 from the ignition control module relay, ignition and fuel injector relay. This white and gray wire here that runs across from here, number 4, it goes across here and then it goes into the computer. It's for the fuel injector control. So that wire, I did a continuity test from the integrated control module to the DME, the computer for the car, and there was no continuity. It doesn't go anywhere else. It just goes directly from one module to the other module, and there was a break in that. There was no continuity. So where the integrated control module is, it's in this corner here. So it's in here. You have to remove this box here, and then this module basically sits at the bottom there. So that module, the white and gray wire is basically in this harness here at the bottom where it has all that red and green wires going to it. So there's one white and gray wire which is right here. That's the control for it, for the ignition and fuel. So that wire there, as you can see, I cut it. I joined another wire for test purposes. So that wire there, I connected it to the computer. The computer is now under the intake manifold, driver side, rear of the engine. So that's the computer, and that same gray wire comes right there. So I joined this wire to it, and this engine started right up. So that wire had a break in it. So what I have to do now, I have to open this section here and just basically find the break and repair it and put it back in there. But if you have a X5 that doesn't start and it has fuel injector and ignition control circuit faults and it just cranks and don't start, I would check this. They are common for having a break right under the manifold and that bunch of wire harness. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.